Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of October 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, and if you want to book a tarot appointment with me, personal tarot reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page via the link The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, so let's see. For my Cancers, please, past, present and future energies. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Star energy. Wow. Okay, so your overall energy is telling me that you could be having a lot of hope, a lot of thinking. Something is going on at the back of your mind, something is happening, and it's like you are really praying to the God to make that thing happen, whatever you really are wishing for. Okay, I really feel some kind of a manifestation also. You are really putting a lot of energy on something because you want it done for yourself, and I feel it's very positive. It is very good for you because this can change your whole world. Okay, a dream come true, you want that thing. So yeah, you are actually wanting it at you, and you are asking the universe with all your heart, with all the positivity you have. Cancer. Okay, so in the past we have the 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles and Hanged Man. So it could be because of some kind of a money thing, okay, because of some stability which we want in our life. We might have wanted it in the past. For some of you it could be a family. You want a very happy, very beautiful, simple family, and you actually wanted it from the past. Or you could be married also, so but there were like ups and downs and you could not take what it was actually happening, so something came into pause. So there is a situation which is coming up, like it could be a proper thing, like it could be a marriage, it could be a money thing, financial thing, which was actually there in front of you, and you actually experienced for some time that beautiful energies, that beautiful stability. But because of that imbalance, which you could be the one who could be making it, or could be by someone else around you, because of that imbalance the pause came. Okay, so in the present we have 10 of Wands in reverse, 4 of Pentacles and Justice. So things have gone really twisted in the present. Things have gone like, it's really hard for you to let go whatever has happened in the past. It's really hard for you to accept, to absorb the bad energies of the past, or whatever there was, whatever that bad past. But you still are releasing some loads. It could be like a situation like a family load which you had, a responsibility which you had. You want to release that. You do not want to do any responsibility. You are releasing that, and you are holding on to that situation. You are holding on to your decision now, because what is right and what is wrong, this is up to you, not by others, what people are saying. Okay, in the future we have Queen of Pentacles, King of Cups in reverse and the 8 of Cups in reverse. So yeah, although you want to move on for this thing, whatever this thing is, I don't know, we are going to clarify it in a bit. But whatever the situation is, it actually made you emotionally drained a lot. And in the coming month of future, I see you as a person who is more involved in the stability and the finances rather than being emotional. Okay, so emotions, you love being emotional because you're Cancerian, but I do not see a Cancer qualities in the coming month. I see a Capricorn quality in the coming month, which you are having, and you are really not letting your emotions make you feel weak. So, your stability, your finances, money, career, your aura, that is making you feel very confident, and this is how your October month is going to be. We are going to clarify more now, okay? So let's do the clarification. Let's see. Geminis. Tell me more about the star energy in the overall energy for my Cancers. The Empress in reverse, the Emperor in reverse, and the Sun. Three major arcanas, and they are the clarifiers of the star, which is already a major arcana. I think this is a big month for you. The energies are big. The energy, the feeling is big. The feeling is huge. And you might be feeling that, you might be not in the exact Cancer person right now. What a Cancer person is like, loving and giving care and giving love to everyone. You might not be in that state right now, but you are actually learning something from the people around you, from your own experiences, and you are really looking forward to this thing. You might be feeling because of some people which might have hurt you in the past. They might have told you that you are like you are not worthy, you are not confident, and all those low energy words you might have listened by many people in the past, but it does not makes you feel anything now, because you are growing from within. Okay, so it's a growth which I'm seeing, but holding on to the past will make you, which will not help you out, Cancer. So yeah, for those people who are actually working on this thing, I know people are using bad words for me, people are not giving me enough of the value which I deserve. Do not worry, because just give yourself so much of value that you might not even need people to value you. Okay, so tell me more about the Hanged Man energies in the past for my Cancer. Four of Swords in reverse, Four of Wands, and Six of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. This could be a marriage, definitely for many of you. It could be a marriage, it could be an engagement, it could be a celebration, it could be a situation, okay, which has come up which came into pause because of some kind of the difference of opinions, and you could not accept what is going on. You couldn't accept that. It could be because of money. For many of you, it could be because of give and take of money, or give and take of emotions, or mental issues. Okay, so I don't know, but there is something like that in the past energies which is seen. Let me clarify more. Tell me more about the Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles in reverse, the Hierophant in reverse, and the Lovers. Yeah, not working out. Whatever might have happened in the past, it didn't work out really well, and because of that, it went you had to end it, and this ending was really hard for you to accept, which is you might be still not able to accept whatever is happening. Tell me more about the Four of Wands. Seven of Wands in reverse, Ten of Pentacles in Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. There's regret from one side. I feel that there's some heartfelt feeling where somebody is because of you, because of something, you didn't take a decision in the past. It could be like that. For some of you, it could be a decision which you actually had to make in the past, but you couldn't make it, and because of that you couldn't stand up for yourself, and you still regret that thing. Okay, but do not hold on to this thing, Cancer. I don't know why you are holding on, because these things happen. Okay, things happen, like, you know, you might be undervalued a lot, but people are like that. So tell me more about the Justice energies. Queen of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and in reverse, and the Six of Wands in reverse. Yeah, because of I don't know what is this thing. You are really connected with something from the past, and it was so much connected that somehow you are feeling like a person who knows, I really need to take a stand of myself. From within, you know that you have to move out from the situation. You are not there, you are not meant for this thing, but somewhere you just lose, like, you know, it's a fear of losing, or it's like losing something, like you will not be fully into this thing. You are really feeling like that, you know, that kind of a feeling where you think that things might not go as you have planned. Okay, tell me more about, but this is the present energies. I really want to know the future energies. Tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles, please. The Hangman in reverse, the Devil, and the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So I don't see you having a lot of patience now, because so this is a matter of only within 1 month only, because since the things are going really fast, I don't see you waiting for anything. I don't see you waiting for anyone or a situation, or you are really hanging in a situation, like, you know, you are in the middle of some decision making. I don't see that happening. I'm seeing like you are actually working on you have already worked on yourself. So this September month could be the month where you have actually worked on yourself, but the October month, which is coming up, you are working on yourself, plus you are really not connected with your emotions, because emotions, you know, at the end they hurt. Tell me more about that Eight of Cups in reverse. Too many, please, sorry. Eight of Cups in reverse. Knight of Swords in reverse, the Chariot in reverse, and the Magician in reverse. Things will take time, Cancer. Okay, so if you have just shut down your emotions for some time, if you have that thing, the progress will take some time. It will take a little time, but I'm seeing that the more energy you are having, the more forward you are going. But do not let ego come in your situation, because this might make things not really well for you. But yeah, I am really seeing a very beautiful, a very dependable, independent woman, independent man who is actually working. And wow, the things are really coming towards, like, you know, things are happening for you. The universe is doing something for you, Cancer. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.